Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is Lochinvar. Chapter number 9, the Lochinvar. Now this was written by its poet is Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott was a Scottish historical novelist, poet, playwright and historian. He was born on 15th August 1771 in Edinburgh, UK, and he died on 21st September 1832. Now Lochinvar, this is a story. Actually, Sir Walter Scott was an excellent story writer, storyteller, you can say. And this popular ballad, this is a ballad. Ballad means in which we narrate a story through a poem. That is called ballad. So this is a ballad in which a very beautiful story of Lochinvar has been narrated in the form of this poem. Now, at that time, when this Sir Walter Scott wrote this poem, at that time it was believed that the young men of Scotland possess necessary dash and they pluck to do extraordinary things. So this is our story. Here we will read the story of this Lochinvar. Okay. Oh, young Lochinvar is come out of the west. Through all the white border his steed was the best. And save his good broadsword he weapons had none. He rode all unarmed and he rode all alone. So faithful in love and so dauntless in war, there never was knight like the young Lochinvar. Okay, now this is the story of this young Lochinvar. Lochinvar was a young man of Scotland. Okay, he was in love with Ellen and he succeeded in marrying her, but there are some difficulties which we will come to know from this. Now, Lochinvar is coming from the west and through all the white border. Here the border refers to the border between the Scotland and a country. Okay, तो उस border के साथ he is coming with his horse. Steed means war horse. He and saves all his broad good sword. Okay, he was coming but he was not having any other weapon. He was having only one, that was his broadsword. Broadsword एक तलवार है, वो उसके साथ he was coming. Now he rode all unarmed and he rode all alone. He was coming alone, only with his horse and a broadsword. Okay, nothing was with him. Only this one thing, broadsword means एक तलवार वो थी उसके पास. So faithful in love and so dauntless in war. Dauntless means very brave, निडर, जिसको we can say. Okay, तो अब ये young Lochinvar है, ये जब आ रहा था, वो वहाँ से आ रहा था from the west और बहुत faithful था. Actually he was in love with the fair Ellen, and that Ellen has consented to marry some other person due to her father's pressure. Now there never was knight like the young Lochinvar. अब young Lochinvar की तरह वहाँ कोई भी बहादुर knight नहीं था. He was so much brave. Now this next, dauntless means fearless. Now he stayed not for break and he stopped not for stone. Okay, वो इतनी बहुत जल्दी means he was coming. He swam the Eske river where ford there was none. अब ford here refers to means जब वो आ रहा था तो वहाँ पे उसने क्या किया. अब ये ford के एक shallow point है जहाँ river बहुत कम हो जाती है and we can walk on that point. Okay, we can cross that river on foot. अब वो फटाफट से horse पर आ रहा था, वो कहीं नहीं रुका. Stone were there, many bushes were there, but he didn't stop और वो आ रहा था. But ere he alighted at Netherby, the bride had consented, the gallant came late. Gallant means जो बहादुर, जो brave person है. अब though this he came fast, but he was slightly late. थोड़ा सा वो late हो गया because all arrangements had been done for the Ellen's marriage. Okay, for the wedding of Ellen with another man. अब वो थोड़ा सा late हो गया Ellen this Lochinvar आने के लिए. उससे पहले जो एलन थी अंडर हर फादर्स प्रेशर उसने क्या किया था, मैरिज के लिए हाँ कर दी थी बिकॉज शी वॉज अंडर हर फादर्स प्रेशर. अब उसने हाँ कर दी थी. द ब्राइड हैड कंसेंटेड, द गैलेंट मीन्स बहुत बहादुर ब्रेव पर्सन, वो लेट हो गया. फॉर अ लेगार्ड इन लव एंड अ डेस्टिनी गॉड was to wed the fair Ellen of brave Lochinvar. With whom she had consented to marry, he was very कवर्ड, यू कैन से लोअर, ठीक है, वो बहुत ही कवर्ड था एंड मीन्स उसके साथ उसने शी हैड कंसल्टेड टू मैरी. Okay, now in the first stanza it is written, so boldly he entered the Nidabai hall among bridesmen and kinsmen and brothers and all. Then spoke the bride's father, his hand on his foot. Okay, जब वो Nidabai hall में आया, when Lokivar came to the marriage hall, then he was taught by Ellen's father because he demanded to know why he has come there. अब जब वो आ रहा था लोकिनवर, तब उसको वो बहुत ब्रेव था, बहुत टॉन्टलेस था, वेरी ब्रेव. तो नीदरबाई हॉल में आता है जहाँ पर दैट मैरिज वॉज टू टेक प्लेस. देन जब वो आता है तो बहुत बोल्डली वो एंटर करता है एंड जो ब्राइड्स के जो लोग थे और जो किन्समैन थे उसके, दे वांटेड टू नो कि वो यहाँ पर वाई ही हैज़ कम हियर. पर उसका हाथ जब वो बैठा था, देन स्पोक द ब्राइड्स फादर. अब वो ब्राइड्स के फादर के साथ देन ही स्पोक, बट हिज हैंड वाज ऑन द स्वॉर्ड, स्वॉर्ड के ऊपर उसका हाथ था. फॉर द पुअर क्रेवन ब्राइडग्रूम सेड नेवर अ वर्ड. अब वो जो ब्राइडग्रूम होम दैट एलन हैड कंसल्टेड, उसे कुछ नहीं बोला. जब लोकिनवर आया, लोकिनवर आया तब उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. लोकिनवर सैड. अब लोकिनवर क्या बोलता है, ओह come ye in peace here, or come ye in war, or to dance at our bridal young lord Lokivar. अब now अब ब्राइड का फादर जो था, एलेंस फादर, ही वांटेड टू नो कि वाई ही हैज़ कम हियर, क्यों आया है यहाँ पर. देन अब वो क्या बोलता है, लोकिवर सेड दैट once he had been loved, once he had been in love with this Ellen, or now he wanted to have last dance with her and one last drink with her. Okay, with Ellen means वो एक बार उसको लाइक करता था, उसको लव करता था, बट अब वो किस लिए आया है, वो लास्ट टाइम उसके साथ डांस करने के लिए आया है एंड लास्ट टाइम उसके साथ ड्रिंक करने के लिए आया है. Then I long wooed your daughter, my suit you tonight. Love swells like the Solway name of the river, but ebbs like its tide. And now I am come with this lost love of mine, too late, but one measure drink one cup of mine as wine, as I have told. कि अब उसके फादर पूछते हैं why he has come here, तब वो बोलते कि मैं एक one time I was in love with your daughter, but अब मैं and मेरा जो था तुमने सूट, मेरी जो रिक्वेस्ट थी that you have denied, और मैं इसलिए आया हूँ कि मेरा जो लव था वो सॉल्वे रिवर की तरह फार पर था और अब वो ख़त्म हो गया. बट मैं अब यहाँ पर आया हूँ क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम आई वॉन्ट टू डांस एंड आई वॉन्ट टू हैव अ लास्ट वाइन, कप ऑफ वाइन. टू लीड बट वन मेजर ड्रिंक वन कप ऑफ वाइन. देयर आर मेडन्स इन स्कॉटलैंड. ओके, अब वो स्कॉटलैंड से आए. अब वो बॉर्डर क्या था, स्कॉटलैंड और नीदरलैंड का बॉर्डर था. इन द फर्स्ट सेंचुरी व्हिच वी हैव रेड, there are maidens in Scotland more lovely by far that would gladly be bride to the young Lokivar. और Lokivar is saying कि वहाँ पर भी बहुत maidens हैं, maidens young unmarried women, girls. वहाँ पे बहुत maidens हैं, they wanted to marry with me. Okay, then पर they would gladly be to, वो बहुत खुशी से मेरी brides बन जाएंगी क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी बहुत खूबसूरत maidens हैं. The bride kissed the goblet, the knight took it up. अब नाउ एलन ने क्या करता है, एलन एक गॉबलेट उसको फिल करती है, कप ऑफ वाइन फिल करती है, उसको किस करती है एंड जो दिस नाइट ही एम्प्टीड इट इन नो टाइम, फटाफट से उसको पी लेता है. ही क्वार्ट ऑफ द वाइन एंड ही थ्रू डाउन द कप. अब उसे इमीडिएटली ही ड्रंक इट आउट, उसने उसको कप को फेंक दिया. शी लुक्ड डाउन टू ब्लश एंड शी लुक्ड अप टू sigh with a smile on her lips and a tear in her eye. अब जब then this Ellen, she had made that a cup of wine उसको देती है, then there was a blush in her face, उसकी blush होता है face में, but and also tear was in her eye, और साथ में उसको eyes में tear होता है. और she looked with a sigh means वो बहुत ही थोड़ी सी she sighed, but there was tear in her eye. अब वो जो bridegroom था, जो वो था जिसके साथ Ellen was supposed to marry, तो bridegroom तो बहुत डरपोक था. She was timidly dangling his bonnet from, बस ऐसे चुपचाप खड़ा था. He had no dare to stop this Lokivar. He looked her soft hand, he took her soft hand, and her mother goodbye. Now tread we a measure, said young Lokimbar. Now Lokimbar uska haath, he pulled her hand, and now she said that and began to dance everywhere. Okay? And then he began to dance. Then, so stately his form and so lovely her face. अब now उसका form कैसा था वो? Lokimbar का this bride का face कैसा था? Alan का face बहुत ही प्यारा face था. That never a hall such a galliard did grace. Galliard means a lively dance. While her mother did fret and her father did fume, and the bridegroom stood dangling his bonnet and plume. अब मदर और फादर थोड़ा सा हुए हो, लेकिन जो ब्राइडग्रूम था वो चुपचाप खड़ा रहा अपने हैट को हिलाता हुआ. Then and the bride maidens whispered, "'Twere better by far to have matched our fair cousin with young Lokimbar." अब वहाँ पे जो भी लोग थे they said कि this is a very beautiful pair, this Alan and Lokimbar. One touch to her hand and one word in her ear. अब उसे Lokimbar ने किया उसके हाथ को he pulled for dance और एक उसके कान में he whispered one word. And when they reached the hall door and the charger stood near, means जो when they were dancing at that Nidbai hall, तो वो dance करते करते they came to the side and the charger means horse was already ready. So light to the croup the fairy lady he swung, so light to the saddle before her he sprung. She is worn, we are gone over bent bush and score. They all have fleet steeds that follow, quoth young Lokimbar. अब now what they did, अब वो डांस करते करते they came to the side. Horse was already ready. और फटाफट से उसको क्या करता है, horse पे बिठाता है and they go away. They mounted on their horse and they went away. Then there was mounting among dreams of the Nidbai clan. और बहुत एंगर था सभी के बीच में because Alan had gone, तो सभी को बहुत एंगर था. फ्रॉस्टर्स, फैनविक्स, मुस्क्रेव, दे रोड एंड दे रैन. अब उसका पीछा करते हुए सभी फ्रॉस्टर, फैनविक्स, ये सब उनका पीछा करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज रेसिंग एंड चेजिंग ऑन Guinevere Lee, but the lost bride of Nidbai never did they see. अब बहुत उनको चेज करते हैं. They tried to chase her कि Lokimbar and this Alan, they tried to chase her, but वो दोनों इतनी दूर चले जाते हैं कि but none of them could catch up with this fair Alan and Lokimbar. Okay, all the kinsmen and brothers of Alan, they mounted their horses and chased them, but nobody was able to catch Alan and Lokimbar. They was racing and chasing. Okay, so daring in love and so dauntless in war. Have you ever heard of gallant like young Lokimbar? And now this author is the poet is saying कि क्या कभी तुमने have you ever heard इतना young Lokimbar और इतना brave Lokimbar, so dauntless in war? क्यों? क्योंकि he came alone, सिर्फ एक broadsword के साथ आया था on his horse, और वहाँ पर आके he took his Alan, उसने अपनी Alan को लिया and he chased him. वो फटाफट से चला गया, but nobody was able to take them. Okay, nobody was able to chase them. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एकदम से इतनी जल्दी चले जाते हैं कि वो उसको नहीं मिल पाते. So this was your ballad. Ballad means, as I told you, it is the story of brave young Lokimbar who was in love with the fair Alan, and in this ballad we have seen how he succeeded in getting his love back. Okay, in spite of her, this Alan's father not giving permission to do so, but young Lokimbar came and take his Alan. Thank you.